Hello again. And here's our configuration downstairs, which is giving us the same problems. Here we have the pool room, and slaved off that is the wine room. I will show you these rooms in a moment. Down here, physically connected, the lower deck, which I will also show you. So let me put these back. Now, obviously, this has got a keypad with ID 11, physically connected to Zone A. And it's doing the way you want it to. Over here, this is the slaved one. It's been given ID 18. The light was a little better, you can see. Power on. Well, there we go. That works. That works. Macros? No macros. And this is a direct entry keypad macro for an FM station. All these are. They're not doing it. Although, you can choose FM. But you can't control the station. Unless you go to something else that has that tuner. Say, which, if, by the way, you'll see this light is on, even though the zone isn't on. You will hear the zone go on when I turn it on. Change channel. There you go. So, turn that zone off. And obviously, the macro shouldn't do anything at this point. Oh, look at that, it does. So even though that keypad's turned off, the macros will work on it. This status light isn't on. And it will always be on if this keypad is on. Oh, there it is. So it's not on, but status is on. So there are various issues.